Alright, what up guys? So we checked out, where'd we go?
I don't know.
Where'd we go before this?
The cave.
Yeah, Cave of the Mountains. Alright, so then we decided, well, let's see what else we can find in this general vicinity. So we are at Parfery's Glen. Cool waterfalls, 4.7 on the rating scale as far as awesome. What?
I like parfaits.
Yeah.
They're delicious.
We like parfaits. So we're gonna bomb down to the waterfall, see what this is all about, and go from there. She won't carry on unless I take a picture, so I guess she's gonna sit here. Babe. Babe. Berlin Brooks.
At least I know you'll cross it.
Yeah. Apparently, there's a waterfall.
Right there.
Some way that way.
It's right here.
That's right. No, that doesn't count.
That's it. Look at how
Yeah.
it's falling.
All right. Maybe we're getting closer. See? What was that, babe? Barking spiders.
Yeah. Yeah, duh.
Yeah, duh. Babe, it says right there.
Shut up.
All right, I'm gonna keep going.
Wait for me.
No, I'm not grabbing her shirt. I'm not grabbing her shirt. No.
I'm gonna meet you on the other side. Grab the shirt.
No.
Come on.
No.
Jamie. I could fall and die.
I'd probably come grab your shirt and then you can go up.
I can't go and grab your shirt.
You can take your shirt with you.
It's all the way down here.
Yeah. But it's cooler down here anyway. Wife just can't follow the rules. Jeez, I tell you what. Cool. Hello. Beep. Dope. Look at that. Yep, this ended up becoming a pretty cool adventure so far between the caves and stuff like that. Goes up. Goes ways up. All right, I think we're getting closer. We'll keep bombing this way and see what we come up with.
I'll fall with you 'cause I love you so much.
Huh. Is that a new song?
It is a new song.
Yeah. All right, so we keep on putzing along. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Not what I was anticipating at all.
Is this the gorge that we walked above that one time? It might be.
I don't think so.
No?
No, we're not even close to Wisconsin Dells.
Oh, good.
Huh. Yeah, giant boulders falling and stuff up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, heck yeah.
I'm willing to die for the adventure.
Yeah, that's really cool. Okay, well, we are gonna safely navigate our way back. Not back, I lied. Up to the waterfall and see what else we got here. Got a what? Cool. Oh. That is up. We didn't know what to anticipate when we come here, so this is quite intriguing. Okay. What you doing, babe?
Why not? Yeah, we made it to the waterfall. It's right here. Yeah. You got it.
Go. Ooh. Cool. I think we're getting close. I was expecting a big old waterfall. There's the waterfall. Nothing too crazy, but I get it. However, the walk in here was absolutely awesome. Check it out. So, you got the undercut side of things. You've got all kinds of giant ass boulders. All kinds of stuff. What's crazy is the wife is someplace up there, not exactly sure where, but I don't want to go up there. I enjoy my walk down here. I think this is much cooler. So we are gonna boogie back to the truck, and that is the end of our adventure for this weekend. So we went to Cave of the Mounds, checked out this waterfall. Don't forget, guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, hit that notification bell when you want to see new content when we post. I really do appreciate all the support, guys, and like I always say, on to the next adventure.